for this video, I'm going to skin our low poly character. To start, I will just first select our model, and then the next step will be selecting the root joint. After selecting them, we're going to use the rigging menu set and look for skin, bind skin option. I will first edit and reset our settings, and for the bind method, personally I'm going to use closest in hierarchy, and for the maximum influences, I will just put 3. Next, click apply and close. After doing that one, we can now check if the polygon was already attached to our rig. To test, I will just press E for the head controller. So as you can see, the head is deforming. In order for us to adjust the skin weights, I will first select the vertices of the head. To do that, I will hide the joints first, also the IK handle, and the actual controller nerves curves. Now here, I will select the vertices of the head. I'm just holding right click, choose vertex, go to my side view, select the vertices of the head, deselect these vertices, and go to perspective. Now I will open the Windows General Editors Component Editor. Again, that's Windows General Editors Component Editor. Now here I will look for Smooth Skins tab, and I will check the head joint. Now I will select this part up to the bottom part or down to the bottom part, and I will press 1. Check again. So for the vertex 0 down to the last vertex selected, I will put 1 and then press enter. Next, I will close this window and test again the rotation of the head. Go to show nerves curves, select the head controller, rotate the head. So that's the process of attaching the vertices of the head to its joint. Now I'm going to test the arm. So this time I will use the paint skin weights tool. To use that tool, you need to select the polygon and then go to skin, paint skin weights option. Now here, if we're going to select the joint, it will highlight the vertices that are attached to that particular joint. So let me show the joints. Now here, the highlighted vertices are connected to the root joint. So if you want to attach these vertices, I will use the paint skin weights tool. For example, here I selected the pelvis joint. Now I'm going to use the paint, and personally I'm using this brush. To adjust the brush size, you need to press B, boy, click and drag. And for the value, initially 1, so meaning I will attach these vertices to the selected joint, in this case the pelvis. Next, if you want to remove these vertices, you can just change the value. This time I will use 0 to remove these vertices. Same with the vertices of the leg. Now, as you can see, I'm just painting the half portion because I can always use the mirror skin weights tool later. So going back to value 1, I want to attach these vertices. Okay, now I will use the mirror skin weights tool. You can access that one here in skin, mirror skin weights option. I will edit, reset the setting. I will use mirror across YZ and click mirror. Now let's move on with the left thigh. Same process. Value 1. I will attach these vertices to the highlighted joint, which is the left thigh. And I'm going to remove this portion. So for the value, I will put 0 and remove these vertices. Okay, once satisfied, you can always use the skin, mirror skin weights option, verify, mirror across YZ. Now moving on to the abdomen, allow me to check the vertices attached. So here I want to attach these vertices at the side to this joint. So same process, I will put the value of 1 and select these vertices. Next, value 0, remove this vertex. And then I will use the skin, mirror skin weights tool, mirror. Moving on to the chest joint. So here I will attach these vertices, including this one. And I'm going to remove this vertex. Next, mirror the skin weights. And test the other joints. So moving on to left shoulder, I will clean up this one. So value 0, remove the skin weights on these vertices. Now here I'm going to put maybe 0.5. And then here, full value of paint weights. So value 1. Now here, I'm going to remove the paint weights, value 0. Okay, and use the mirror skin weights. So skin, mirror skin weights. Check the other shoulder. Okay, moving on to elbow. Seems correct. Hand, I will just remove the skin weights on this portion. So value 0. And then mirror skin weights tool. Okay, now test the controllers. Go back here to select tool. I will hide the joints. Okay. Okay. This one's acceptable. Same with the leg. So that's the process of skinning using component editor and paint skin weights tool.